Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you the newest update on Instagram, how you can create Halloween themed tags on your Instagram stories. So, as you know that Halloween is coming at the end of this month, October. And if you want to create stories on the Halloween days with the spooky tags or the haunted tags animation, this is how you are going to do it. First, you need to make sure that you already have the newest or the latest versions of the Instagram app. If you haven't, you can check on the Google Play Store. In here, if Instagram asks you to update the app, then you need to update it first. And after that, after you update the Instagram apps, you can open it, and then you can open the Instagram camera and then choose the the Halloween photos that you want. So let's say I want to use this ones right here. Okay, I'm going to zoom it in, and now you can just write the tags. Click on the tags options at the top, and in here you can see in the new update there is this Halloween fonts that you can use for your Halloween party invitations or Halloween Instagram stories in here. So let's just say let's celebrate Halloween together. Okay, for example, like this: together at my house. Okay, here you can change the text color into the color that you want. To make it spooky, you can use red, or you can also use orange. So I'm going to just use red here. Okay, the alignment, I'm going to use center alignment. And there's also new text animation that you can use called haunted. So you can just tap on this and there will be this haunted text animations. So if you want to use it, you can just tap on this, and here I'm going to adjust the text size. Click on done, and that's it. So this is the Halloween theme tags on the Instagram stories. You can just update it, and that's it. So guys, I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. So don't forget to like to this video, leave a comment if you have any questions, and also subscribe to our channel to support us to create more videos. So don't forget also to click on the thanks. Thank you for watching. Bye.